Hey, what's going on? This is Jake with Walk-Squawk. So we have grains a little bit lower on the overnight session here. Corn down 4, beans down 4, but they were down a little bit more here before the Bessent headlines saying that he's going to go to Stockholm and he'll be meeting with their Chinese counterparts there. Uh, Also, he was saying, what else was he saying? Tariff revenue is a big never, could be 1% of GDP. Also, he was kind of pitching in for reasons for Powell to stay there. We actually saw stocks turned around on some of these comments. Uh, so the China deal expires August 12th. There's another kick out here. Doesn't mean negotiations can't take place after tariffs, but again, we're seeing some of this capitulation taco kind of runabout with these deals. Now, this is really an interesting timing because, like, beans and corn, we're kind of on some key support, and you're looking for, like, it was kind of going to be like a puke fest here. It felt like, but lo and behold, kind of found a little bit of a bounce as we head into the biscuit break here this morning. Um, Again, crop conditions were actually, beans kind of disappointed on crop conditions. We were looking for like some record good to excellent conditions, but they still stayed in. Um, with let's see, beans were slipped actually 2 points to 68 good to excellent. Corn still stays strong at 74% good to excellent, matching last week's expectations, marking the best ratings for mid-July in 9 years. But however, export demand still remains soft. Exports inspections were just 35.9 million bushels, and domestic basis is mostly steady with some weakness noted in the eastern corn belt. Also, you know what? China still hasn't booked anything new for 25-26, but you know what? With this meeting coming up next Tuesday, next week, this has probably got the market living on a little bit of hope. But the thing is, weather should trump, but will it? That's all I got for us this morning. Be sure to like, follow, and subscribe, and check out the Walk-Squawk Morning Wire. It's a great source of information for your cash flow. And basically, it's free right now. So come on in and get it while it's hot.